A state of emergency was declared in New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut as a major winter storm has battered the northeastern United States since Sunday. Leaving nearly 400,000 homes without power and causing more than 5,500 flight cancellations or delays. By Monday morning, New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut had declared states of emergency. With snowfall now exceeding 60 centimeters in parts of those states, as well as in Massachusetts and Rhode Island. Despite continuous efforts by snowplows, persistent heavy snowfalls and strong winds quickly recovered cleared roads, significantly increasing travel risks. As a result, New Jersey issued a travel ban for non-essential vehicles with limited exceptions on roads, bridges, and highways starting at 9 p.m. on Sunday. Initially scheduled to be lifted at 7 a.m. on Monday, the ban was extended until noon due to severe weather conditions. Just across the river, New York City also declared a state of emergency and issued a non-essential travel ban on Sunday night. Although it was lifted on Monday evening, Mayor Zoran Mamdani warned that the city remained under a dangerous travel advisory throughout the night. Travel across New Jersey and New York City came to a standstill due to the blizzard. NJ Transit suspended all rail and bus operations, and New York City experienced partial suspensions on subway and bus services, along with a complete shutdown of the Long Island Railroad, the busiest commuter rail line in North America. Air travel was also severely affected. As of 10 a.m. Monday, more than 5,500 flights have been cancelled and hundreds delayed nationwide, with the three major airports in New York among the hardest hit. The storm also left nearly 400,000 homes without power across the northeastern United States. All public schools in New York and New Jersey shifted to remote learning on Monday, while many government agencies and businesses implemented work-from-home policies. Power restoration and public service recovery are expected to take several days, although snowfall began to ease on Monday afternoon.